we are going to be doing a bit of Rubik's Cube magic here. In short, I just know how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Hopefully you can hear me. If you can, then it's a little too bad. Some stuff out. So first off, my cube might look a little different than yours. That's because I have a special brand of it called GAN. I wonder what this logo is. So, yeah. Before we get into anything, first, let me just... Hold on. Yeah. So, let's get this cube, well, before I say anything, let me show you a few things. First of all, it'd be nice if I could scroll out, but I can't. So, this is R. This is U. U. U prime is the opposite. U prime. R prime. And yeah, this is just move notation. If you do not want me to tell you the move notation, then just follow what I do with the cube, okay? If you do want to know the move notation, then I do have a guide for that, which I will show once I get it all unraveled. It's a big guide. Up here. So let's move this way a bit. Up here. So you can see R, L, U, D, F, D, S, M, E. R2 means doing it twice. R prime means doing it in the opposite way. So if you see 2 next to any letter, that means do that move twice. If you see lowercase, turn that layer with 2 layers. And R prime 2 is turning it the opposite way twice. And X, Y, and Z, but I won't be using those. So yeah. Let's get to the cube. So first of all, I'm going to scramble my cube. Let's put this here like this. Or even easier if there's all my cube stuff. So let's bring that to the side. So, let's go. So, step number 1. Make the white side the top side. What we're going to do here is we are going to find the white edge pieces. Edge pieces are pieces that have only 2 colors on them. These are center pieces, these are corner pieces. But we want these. So as you can see, blue and blue. We want to match that up with white and white. See down here, we want to move this around. And be careful not to mess up any other pieces. and simply move it up to the top such that the colors match. Then we are going to do that with all 4 until we get a cross. Do not worry about corners until you get a cross. Once you get the cross, then you see this, you will go R, U, R prime, U prime. And then you're going to make it such that it is above the corner in which it needs to be, because this is green, red, and white. These are green, red, and white. So we're going to do the same algorithm, and same thing here. Blue, orange, white, blue, orange, white. So we're going to put this in here. Now this one, if we move it over here, blue, red, white. So we need to do the algorithm 3 times. And then move this over to the last corner and do the algorithm until it gets in. So we have finished up the white side, and that's good. So next up, we are going to look for edge pieces that do not have yellow in them. Any piece with yellow, do not care about. So you're going to take this piece and you are going to make these sides match up. You don't need to make this side match up. So since this is a red piece, we are going to turn to the red side and do R prime, U prime, R prime, U prime, R prime, U, R, U, R. Let me do that again. I'm also going to show you the list of algorithms in the guide that I have after, in case you want to use those. So we have the same case here. These match up. These match up. So R prime, U prime, R prime, U prime, R prime, U, R, U, R. And then we have these. You're going to use the algorithm, either the one that we just did, or U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R prime, then turn the cube to face the side that was to the right before. L prime, U, L. Wait. This. Make sure that these pieces all match. And then simply do that, and bam. Now you're going to take this piece, set it up over here, and there's also the algorithm, that last algorithm, if these pieces match up, but this piece needs to be here because these colors match up, then you can do the algorithm that I showed you to get the piece out of where it shouldn't be. So now the yellow side. If you have this, then you're going to do F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Then you're going to do the same thing again. If you have this, you're just going to do the algorithm once. If you have just the center, you're going to do the algorithm twice. Then you're going to turn it such that there is the line facing toward, it should be horizontal to you. It should be parallel to you. Then you're going to do the algorithm again, then you'll get it. Then there's this. In this case, you do R prime, U, R prime, hold on. Hold on. Don't mind silly little old me. I'm just being a little stupid. And repeating old steps. Really hope this isn't over 15 minutes. I can't post over 15 minutes. And there we go. So, see, same thing. Line means do the algorithm once. So this time you do R prime U2 R U R prime U prime R. Then you get this. Then do U prime R U prime 2 R prime U prime R U prime R prime. Or you do a combination of those. Just do it until you get the white side done. Then you're going to get the colors. What you're looking for is for these two colors to match up, or these two. You just want two corners to have the same color on the same side. Then you're going to either turn it to be to the left of the side that's on, and then do the algorithm I'm about to do. Or if that's too complicated, just do this algorithm. R, B, R, F2, R prime, B prime, R, F2, R2. And then that will mix it up such that you get the proper alignment. Then you're going to see that these colors are mixed up. Or all four of them are, and I'll show you what to do with that after. What you're going to do is you are going to see if this needs to go here, then you're going to do this. M2 U prime, M prime, U prime 2, M, U prime, M2. And then get in the right position. If you get it the other way, where this piece needs to go here, or this piece needs to go here, then you're going to do it with the U's, but the U's are not prime. Or I'm going to show you all the algorithms in a moment. So yeah, I hope I made that simple enough for you to understand, and I will post close-up videos of the guide as well. So you can even look at that. Here's the guide. Here are the algorithms for F2L. Do not mind my writing in the top. If any of these match your case, just follow the steps on them. That's for F2L, which was for first two layers. And this is OLL for the yellow side. And this is PLL, which is after the yellow side. So yeah, I need to end it right now because it's almost 15 minutes. But yeah, good luck solving your own cube, and thanks for 10 subscribers. Toodle-doo.